saw the speeches yesterday at Azad Maidan. You especially, you and Captain Viriato made a mention that a cabinet minister is involved. Does the opposition or you or Captain Viriato has enough evidence to say that there is a cabinet minister or a MLA involved?
First, we don't take names unless we get hard evidence admissible in court of law. And I would not make an allegation without there being a suspicion or something in my hand. But that should be admissible evidence. Therefore, until the police get it in their hand, simply nabbing those who have performed the task is not sufficient. As I said in my opening, there has to be a mastermind behind it. And I used the words yesterday, a Godfather general, who is directing the operations. And it is quite evident that in social media, the names are featuring. And therefore, if you take out the names and then you start elimination process, you know where the buck stops.